Hey you guys, we're gonna go ahead and use this adorable basket that I picked up from the dollar store. Look how cute that is. So go ahead and pick up a cute basket. I'm gonna use a little bit of styrofoam. Go ahead and pick up some styrofoam, and I'm gonna add a little bit of tissue on the bottom of the styrofoam. Oh, you know what? I'm not gonna add tissue. I'm gonna use shredded paper. I have a little bit of the shredded paper, so I'm gonna use this just so it doesn't move so much. I'll close that, and we're gonna get started. So the first thing I want to add to this adorable basket, I am making it a little arrangement for my godchild. I'm adding these Ghirardelli chocolates. Let me just show you the bag real quick. Look at how cute that is. And the bag was only $10. So I'm going to go ahead and use the blue ones. Milk chocolate. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a little bit of the hot glue. And I'm going to glue them onto my skier stick. So how cool is that? So I'm going to do a couple of them. And then we'll get started. Now I can go ahead and make my arrangement as short or as tall as I want to. I'm going to add, I think, one more. But I think he's going to love this. Let it dry. Once it's nice and dry, we're going to go ahead and put it in here. Now you can go ahead and use any chocolate you want. It's really up to you. It's personal. Use whatever kind you want from wherever you want. I think this is going to be so cute. I'm going to go ahead and make another one because I want one on each side. I'm going to let that dry. I will be adding some Kit Kats in here because I thought it would be cool since it is red. So it kind of goes together. And I'm going to let that dry as well. I'm going to go back to the other ones. I'm going to let that dry. And I'm just going to keep going, alternating. Make sure I want the Kit Kat the same way. And I will add one more at the bottom. So you can basically use whatever candy you want. I just added that to the bottom. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and add this one on this side. So I kind of want to make it even. One on each side. It's up to you. You can add whatever you want. I think this way it looks a little nicer. I'm going to add the Kit Kat right in the middle. So this is so cute already. Now I'm going to make a couple of small ones so I can just fill it in and get it all different levels. I don't want everything too big or too small. You guys, I'm going to add a cute little Valentine's pick. And I think that's going to be right here. How cute is that? Isn't that just plain adorable right there? I don't know. Can you guys see the pick? Or should I put... I can put the candy behind the pick. If you guys... Maybe the pick should be in the front. Yeah, I think the pick should be in the front. Just because it's so adorable. And I have more picks if I want to add in there. I'm going to add a couple of the smaller ones. What I'm doing is I'm grabbing the skier stick and I'm cutting it in half in an angle. I'm going to add a couple of the Kit Kats. I'm going to let that dry. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Can you guys see me? Yeah. Oh, this is so cute. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just cover all the bottom of it. Look how cool that's going to be. So I can add 2 in here, or I can add 1. It's up to me. And I'm going to add a couple of the smaller ones as well. Make sure I have the right side. How cute is this? I'm going to let that dry. And then I'm going to add a couple of more of the Kit Kats. So if I want to do another section, I can do it. If I want to make it a little whiter, I can. But I think this is adorable already. Look how cute that is. So I'm going to do one more taller right here. I think a taller one would be nicer. So this is a cute arrangement already. And it's affordable. There's so many chocolates out there you can play with. And you can definitely get them. So I do want to add one more of these, but I want to cut it down a little bit. So like that. Actually, I think I'm going to move it. It's like not even showing. There you go. I think that is so cool. And I think I want to do this one a little bit more this way. There you go. Now we can go ahead and add more chocolate. We can add more of the picks. I can add another pick down here. How cute would that be? Or maybe like that. Maybe I'll add one down there. I mean, I could add one right here. I think right here would be really cute. So I'm going to add it there. But this pick, I'm going to add a little more down. And that way it's like a 2-level pick. Oh my God, that is so cute. How cute is this? Like one is this way, one's that way. Like one's higher than the other. Now I can add a bag and put it in a bag and just gift it. Or I can actually give it to him like that. I'm going to add a couple of more of these little cute chocolates just as a little filler at the bottom. Just a little filler. I don't have any more of the blue, so we'll make do with what we have. I'd rather get rid of all of them than just have them right there. But that is cute. Isn't this adorable, you guys? I'm going to add more of the shred. Like so. I think that is so cute. Now this is so cute. You can make this for anybody. And that's it. How cute is this cute, adorable little arrangement? It is perfect for my godchild. I hope he loves it. It is a cute Valentine's. Like I said, I have more of these. I can add more if I want to. You know, do 3 of them. I can do 3 like this. Look how cute that is. But I think 2 is so cute already, you guys. Happy Valentine's Day. Hope you guys like it. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And until next time, bye you guys.